Mga kapuso, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Anton Rojas working alongside Coach Hammer, Martin Antonio, and working at courtside is Lexi Gonzalez, Gail Pascual trying to go back to work for the Benil Lady Blazers, but Doguna with the response. Dorog on the drop. Doguna was right there. Ming Ming.
Illegal attack.
On Hiro Osada.
Serving for the Lady Blazers, Jessa Doro.
Who's on? Tula. Getigan. Single block by Osada.
Ganda ng bawi ni Osada right away after making a miscue on a double contact. Getting a single block on Win Estoque. And good defense right there.
Velasco. Colorito. Chance ball given up to Benil. Mondoniedo. Pascual.
Gail Pascual.
Gail Pascual. I think the #1 attacker for this squad.
Now serving for the Lady Blazers, Sam Velasco.
Colorito. Back set. Tula.
Good save.
Estoque.
And that's out.
Time goes out. Now serving for the Lady Pirates, Hiro Osada.
Pascual. Colorito. Not
Konting
over.
tigil. Could have just given up a free ball pero gustong atakihin lahat. But gusto mo yan eh, yung aggressiveness nila yung nagdala sa kanila dito. Tsaka yun yung reminder ni Coach, diba? Nung timeout.
Now serving.
Talagang kung papaluin mo na sobrang lakas.
Puzon to Dolorito. Down the line.
Ito too wide.
Attack goes out.
Too strong.
Oh, what a set. What a set by Puzon, but what timing
That's a point for
by the
Lady
Benil
Blazers.
Lady Blazers.
So going back to what
Our score
really is their
5-7.
strength, which is their net defense and height.
Di nakaka-atake ng magandang LPU to start this set.
Flo Mondoniedo.
I'm wondering what happened to LPU. All of a sudden, they have become a very different team from what we saw in the first 3 sets.
Starting flat on this fourth set.
Nagre-relax tayo. Nakukuha. Hindi tayo dapat yung magraratel, hindi tayo magkakagulo. Okay? Lamang tayo sa set. Sila yung dapat maghabol. Okay, compose nyo lang yung sarili nyo. Okay, dahan-dahan ulit tayo. Atake tayo, atake! Ha?
Hey! Pirates on 3, 1, 2, 3! Pirates!
A timeout to set things in order. And maybe the players didn't realize it, that yes, they are indeed ahead by 1 set against Benil. A rare situation.
So again, Bio.
Bio.
Wild card, no? Napakawalan dito ngayon.
What a pickup.
Now serving
What a
for the
rookie.
Lady Pirates.
I mean, both of them, Bio and Osada. What additions to this LPU Lady Pirates
Yep.
squad?
Nakapagdagdag din ng talent.
Bio. Good intention, just a little bit too much wrist action.
Ayun na naman yung sinasabi ni Coach Jerry na use your fingertips to guide the volleyball. Hindi pwedeng yung kamay.
Pascual.
Has a point for the Lady Blazers. Winning is stop now serving.
Buzon. Dolorito.
That's a check.
Joanna Dolorito.
So, Joanna Dolorito continues her strong showing
Now
today
serving for LPU.
na trying to break
Joanna
down
Dolorito.
this Benilde wall talaga eh. 21.
So you saw in the graphic below 20 points. It's actually 21 now for Joanna Dolorito. Dio. Gamit got the better of her.
Yup. Naibabawan yung palo. Return back to sender.
First, taking out
And when we
timeout
come back, Lexi Gonzalez will have another
Our
update
score,
for us
8
from
for
courtside.
Benilde, 5 for LPU.
I want to add the face of the NCAA. I dare say.
Lakas maka James Yap nung vibe ni Clint. Ano?
Bro, the
Steady lang.
face.
Steady lang.
Yeah, it had to be Clint, no?
Yeah.
Because of Clint's story coming back to the NCAA. This is where he came from in high school. And now we're starting this new platform. So Clint, maraming salamat for the time. It's great to see you again. Last time we saw you, well, last time Martin and I saw you, you were in the crowd, but we're not gonna mention that.
Kahit na natalo kami last game, malungkot man, pero okay na rin para matauhan kami na mas higit pa doon ang kaya namin ipakita. Yan ang determinadong sagot sa akin kanina ni John Duguna before the game. That is still visibly obvious based on LPU's performance right now. Pero hindi naman nagpapatalo si Chloan Mondoñedo na hindi raw nagpapaapekto at nagsabing, alam ko, nagsisimula pa lang ako. Such brave athletes we have in front of us, Anton and Coach Hammer.
100%.
For LPU, Heart Pio.
Laban lang.
As soon as Mondoñedo had a chance to walk back to the tunnel, she had her ankle taped.
Yep.
Knowing that this is an important match and that she is needed out there.
Serving for the Lady Blazers.
Mondoñedo. Buzon. Osada gets roofed by Nolasco.
There you go. Nolasco recapturing what made her really special to begin with. It's her blocking.
Doguna. Pascual, cross court.
Bounce ball.
14 points in the match for Gail Pascual. Doguna, cross court. Oh, what a save by Getigan. Back row. Masyadong malalim na yun para kay Pyong.
Pero siya ang pinakamagandang laro sa kanila ngayon. Pinaka-consistent si Getigan throughout the game. Di lang talaga sila makapag-fabricate ng points na magkakakabit.
The sophomore libero, Pyong Getigan. Oh, poor reception by Benilde. Tulang with a chance. Ay, nag-agawan. Nag-agawan doon si Guzman.
Good recovery
At
by
Mingming.
Dolorito.
Patay.
Pakong-pako.
Sam Nolasco.
Yun ang problema. Pag namigay ka ng chance ball sa Benilde.
Tsaka nakita mo nakabuelo na eh. Para pang ano eh.
For Benilde.
High jump yung buelo ni Nolasco.
Mondoñedo knows who to toss it to.
Ito na, they're stringing offensive possessions here.
Point number 15
Score is 13.
for number 9, Gail Pascual. Tulang going down the line there. Pascual. Gutigan says, ako. Doguna. Oh, wow.
Ramdam mo na pagpapalo tong LPU, todo talaga Buhos kung buhos.
Number 14, Willie Mustoke out. Number 7, Jade Hentapa in.
Sarap ng tulog nito mga to mamaya. Pagod na pagod tong mga to. Buhos yung laro You gotta applaud LPU din for really bringing it today.
Sam Nolasco is coming alive here in set number 4. Napatingin si Coach Cromwell sa score.
Sam Nolasco now serving for the Lady Blazers.
Coach Crom is looking up at the scoreboard again. Dolorito. Tulang off the block.
Ito yung gusto mo pag ikaw yung LPU. Idikit mo lang na idikit kasi eventually you would be able to create a run. Pero ito, pasok na pasok. Yung palo, sa gitna pa ng dalawang naka-extend na braso ni Hentapa.
Osada. Mondoñedo to Jade.
Impressive si Pio hindi rin siya natatakot dun sa mga paluan sa gitna.
Score is 10, serving 14.
Hart Pio, a rookie. 20-year-old, 5'11" from Bulacan.
Tangkad.
Mondoñedo. Pascual. Oh, you could hear from the sound that it was not proper. It was not a proper spike.
Fingertips na ito mga mahalos. Alakanin.
Mondoñedo. Gamit.
Good block.
Mondoñedo to
Good
Jade.
block. Consecutive great defensive stops at the net. Una kay Hart Pio. And then Jaja Tulang on that single coverage.
Hiro Osada still serving.
Return to sender. Mayroong sariling selyong dala.
This was a 6-point lead just moments ago.
Yeah.
Pascual. Osada. Quick attack by Gamit.
There you go. Mitch Gamit naman ngayon. Itong mas dapat nila madalas puntahan. Kasi sobrang athletic ni Mitch
Number
Gamit.
7, Jade Hentapa out.
On
Number
the NCAA. Sobrang bilis niyang umelevate. Kaya, pagka may mga opportunities, talagang dapat dalhin mo dun yung bola.
Puzon. To Dolorito. Wow.
Basag na basag.
22 points for Jonah Dolorito, and this is coming off a 25-point outing. Gamit, cross-court.
Your favorite attack? Getting that running hit, pero tatlo na itong hinahabol ng LPU.
Our score
We'll
is
take a break.
16
Benilde is up
for
by
Benilde.
3.
13 for LPU.
Big break yun, yung sa Abra. And again, you're working with professional players, makababa na. Okay,
Yung coach nila is a former Mapua Cardinal player, Coach Tantan Banal. So,
Jonathan Banal,
nakikita natin si Coach Tantan was with
Tantan.
Coach Chito during the season. Kaya very active sila that part of the alumni support ng team ng Mapua.
Tsaka loaded ang team mo dun.
Loaded talaga. Yun, we have the Mactalios, yun, sila Prince Capiral.
Mancom representative Sir Frank Gusi of the University of Perpetual Help System Delta, also the chairman of the volleyball tournament. Dr. Lorenzo of Emilio Aguinaldo College is sitting right behind him. This is match number 42 here in the tournament.
Quick recap lang tayo, Anton. Highest scorers natin, Dolorito with 22, Duguna with 12, Tulang with 11, Osada with 9, Pio with 5 points. Sa kabila naman, Pascual with 15, Nolasco with 10, Gamit with 11, and Torog with 7 points. Center matchup natin, excellent sets. Mingming Luzon with 15, Clo Mondoñedo with 40. Dikit na dikit, no?
As I said earlier, this match could determine who will finish as the best setter. Will it be Mingming again? Will she have a third straight best setter award?
Hat-trick.
Or will Chloan finally get that elusive first best setter award here in the NCAA, as many feel that she has been the true best setter in the league?
Well, she won't trade her championships for a best setter award. Definitely, she won't do that. Sa kanya, importante naman dyan yung mga champion. Pero last year mo na, might as well take some hardware with you when you go.
Wow! Nakapalok! Mingming! Well, that's going to help her cause for another best setter award. Mingming Puzon.
Meron pa pala siya nun.
You gotta love that! Doguna. Regalo.
1 point na lang to. So LPU recovering after being down by 6, if I'm not mistaken, which was the highest at 7. Kanina 13-7 yung score, or 13-6 rather.
Mondoñedo. Torog. Puzon. Mondoñedo running attack by Gamit.
Rinse and repeat. Left to right, Mitch Gamit, automatic. Ganda ng form. Ganda ng form niya doon sa running hit niya. Tsaka, springy kasi siya, no? Athlete talaga.
Here's the toss. Doguna.
Contact.
Touch for the Lady Blazers.
I think that's the third one on Sam Nolasco.
Substitution for the Lady Pirates. Number 19, Hart Pio out. Number 8, Stacy Lopez in.
Si Lopez, isa kanina. Naka-isang service ace. So,
Mondoñedo. Torog. Cloan. Puzon. To Doguna. Check out. And we are tied at 18 all.
Estoque is
Oh,
folded on the
no.
side.
Not like this.
Medic on the court, please.
Not now.
And win Estoque. After that pop-up, she's wincing in pain right now. And hopefully this is not a knee or an ankle. Because you would only react like that, Anton, if it's really something that
prayers up right now for Waylin Estoque, who has had a fabulous season, her best in her NCAA career.
And we need to get an update on what happened with her. And hopefully it's just an ankle and not a knee. Kasi patwist yung pagbagsak niya eh. So,
Estoque has been Benilde's leading scorer this season. averaging 9.8 points per match.
Corina Apostol
in tears. Helped off to the sideline, and they're checking on her foot right now. That's what it appears to be.
And hopefully it's just a sprained
Now serving for
ankle.
LPU, Stacy Lopez.
You would rather have an injury to the ankle than the knee.
Yeah.
Play resumes. Too strong for Dolorito.
Check goes out.
Ming Ming pleading for a check ball, and just like the previous time she conferred with our referee, she says, let's move on. Let's accept the call and move on. After clarification, Buzon. Doguna!
Doguna!
Wow!
A game from both attackers ng LPU, Doguna and Dolorito. Sama mo pa. Itong si Tulang.
Naisingit pa.
Oo.
In that tight space.
Binasag yung depensa.
Pascual. Buzon to Doguna. Mondoniedo. Combination play. Buhay pa. Back set. Pascual. Doguna. Guzman. Dolorito.
Attack goes out.
So that's 2 straight hitting errors for Jonah Dolorito.
Hindi makunat yung pagkakatama.
Alright, ito yung nangyari kay Estoque kanina.
For the Lady Blazers, Cesar Doro.
We didn't see the fall. Hopefully we can get a report on that.
Watching for the quick.
Pascual, goodbye.
Right at the middle. So it's an ankle for Estoque. Definitely that's kasi yung pagbagsak niya parang it's more than an ankle.
Si Joan, nasa harapan. Gumambulan sa is. Nasa harapan si Joan. Yan, Jo, discard mo. Okay, may pinapaisahe tayo. May nisahe tayo dyan, di ba? May coverage naman.
Dalawa lang.
Huwag pigilan. Kaya sabi ko, paluin mo ng pinakamalakas na magagawa mo. Walang hesitation, walang doubt. Okay? Trabahuin lang. Go!
Do not hesitate. Do not doubt. I like that.
Two Benilde Lady Blazers bit by the dreaded injury bug in the same match. One of them sidelined, one of them playing hurt. Mondoniedo on the court. Joan Doguna responding to the challenge of her coach, Cromwell Garcia.
Don't pull any punches nga eh. Kung bibitaw ka, bitaw mo ng todo. Ganon din eh. So very good game plan here by LPU.
Mondoniedo to Pascual.
That's right there on the corner pocket.
17 points in the match for Gail Pascual.
Number 10, Micah Go out. Number 3, Mitch Gamit in.
Micah Go checks out. Mitch Gamit
Sam
back
Nolasco
in.
now
Apostol joins her in the front line. Pascual is also there. Sam Nolasco will serve. Benilde's 37-match winning streak here in NCAA Women's Volleyball is on the line. Dolorito. That's the third miss hit by Jonah Dolorito late in this set.
Our score is 23-17.
And Coach Cromwell telling her, just keep going, just keep going. And tinatarget siya ng Binild. Tulang. Kulang sa lakas. Pascual gets another point.
Gail Pascual.
And Gail Pascual providing the firepower today, especially in the sports set.
In season 98, that was last year, Gail Pascual had 4 matches where she scored 20 points or more, as we see that hit by Jaja Tulang. This season, Gail Pascual or any Lady Blazer has not scored more than 20 points. Today could be the first time that Pascual eclipses or reaches the 20-point mark. And she has to. She's at 18 right now. And here she comes. LPU knew it though. LPU read that play like a book. A clutch hit by an unlikely source. Reintroduce yourself, Corinne Apostol. Down
That's the end of the fourth set.
the
Our score
line
is 25-21 in favor
as she
of
grazed
Cecilio
that
Lady
line
Blazers. We
to
are
send
going
this
to set
match
number 5.
into a deciding set number 5.